Meet Refer's enhanced trust chain discovery, intelligently connecting you to businesses through your network of trusted referrers. Here's a local coffee roaster with community references. Notice the Trust Network icon. This reveals how you're connected through referrers, weighted by their individual credibility. Our algorithm weighs 3 factors: reference trust scores, network distance, and connection path quality. This business earns an 83 trust score based on connected reference credibility. Our strongest path connects through Sarah Chen, a highly trusted community member with a 92 trust score, just one hop away through our direct connection. The complete analysis shows why high-trust references like Sarah carry more weight than other users. Each reference's credibility directly influences the business's trustworthiness. This transforms business discovery from simple reviews to intelligent trust analysis. You're not just seeing who referenced a business, you're understanding why those references matter.